the question about paying taxes. It talks about ownership. It talks about, or the topic dun sa context ng gospel is about ownership. Pero bago yun, bago tayo dumako sa ownership, ang isang point lang din naman dito is do not doubt God. Kasi very malicious, very evil yung intent ng pag-ask ng Pharisees pagdating kay Jesus. Yung question nila kay Jesus may hidden agenda, was to trap him. So, di ba, tayo naman, paano tayo mag-relate dun? Do not doubt God. Huwag nating subukan or iput sa test na, alam niyo na, yung minsan kapag sobrang down na tayo, Lord, pag ganito ako, ganyan, ikaw sisisihin ko. Or something like that. Then, aside doon, aside sa let's not doubt God, let's not put Him into the test or something, it talks about ownership kasi doon ni-reveal or ni-remind, doon tayo ni-remind ng gospel na yes, meron tayong responsibilities or meron tayong rights at responsibilities and meron din tayong duties pagdating sa world. May responsibility tayo sa government, may responsibilities tayo sa family. Sa family, hindi yung, alam mo na, gusto mo nang bumukod, pero babalik ka sa bahay mo para lang for the food, para lang makatulog ka, but not like that. But family, sa school as well, may responsibilities tayo, hindi lang naman para matuto kayo, but to help out with each other. Help each other na pagdating sa groupings or pagdating sa paglilinis or sa mga thesis. Then, of course, meron din tayong responsibilities sa, ayun, as a working adult, di ba? We have to pay our taxes and the likes. But, aside sa earthly, unless untaxable ka or what. So, so, aside sa earthly ownership or earthly responsibilities, yung who do we really belong to ba? Kanino ba tayo belong as Christians, as Catholics? Of course, we belong to God. We belong to God. Once, simula nung nabinyagan tayo, or simula nung, we belong to God, we become part of a fellowship, Christian fellowship, mapa sa ministry man yan, sa church, sa parish. So, doon tayo dumako sa responsibilities mo. Since we belong to God, diba, we should partake in the worship, we should partake sa yung trust natin pagdating sa Kanya, hindi lang dapat na sa atin. Tama yung sinabi ni Brother Homer sa part na, diba, pag mabait lang tayo pag sa ministry, diba? Pero pagdating sa labas, wow, ibang klase. Ibang klase. Party. tapos, ito matawa. Diba? So, ibig sabihin, since pakita natin that we truly belong to God. Hindi lang yung i-claim lang natin, but dapat mag-manifest. Tayo mismo yung maging extension of God's hands pagdating sa ministry niya or pagdating sa mission, sa gospel. So, yun lang. When we say about the emperor, give therefore to the emperor the things that are the emperors and to God the things that are God's. So, gawin natin duties natin kasi meron talaga tayo. Hindi gagana ang mundo, hindi iikot ng maayos, walang harmony kapag hindi natin binigay yung dapat nating ibigay sa mundo. But at the same time, meron din tayong responsibilities kay God because we belong to Him. And since we belong to Him, it includes being kind, being patient, mahirap man, but diba? Kung if we decide or we choose, try our best to do so, mangyayari yun. And yun lang.